blackbird, I'm gonna make Mountain Love for you guys. A slice, and I'm gonna quarter it. It's gonna be about 2 ounces of grapefruit. I'm going to put them in a glass. I'm then going to add a healthy amount of cinnamon, and then about 1 ounce of simple syrup. I'm now going to mull all my ingredients together. Now that we have them all mulled, we're going to add ice to our rocks glass. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of Troy & Sons Oak Reserve. Now we're going to shake. We're simply going to finish it with a splash of orange San Pellegrino. And then finally, we're going to garnish with a grapefruit wheel. And there you have it, Mountain Love. That's good. That whiskey is incredible.